Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we shall be looking at how to add a pop-up opt-in form to your WordPress website. But before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can see the link below in my video description. So to get started, all we have to do now is to go to plugin and click on add new. You will now search for opt-in form. So the one we are looking for is pop-up opt-in form and email newsletter for MailChimp, HubSpot, Aweber, and Mail opt-in. You click to install and you click activate. When you scroll down, you can now see that the Mail opt-in plugin has been installed successfully. The next thing to do is to search for it here. So this is the menu here, and you go to integration. And under integration, we have different email service provider depending on the one you are using. So the most popular ones are GetResponse, HubSpot, ConvertKit. We have the SendGrid, we have the MailChimp, Aweber, and so on. So to connect, for example, let's use MailChimp as an example. To connect, all you have to do is to click on this MailChimp here to log into your account. And if you have already logged in, by clicking here, it will direct you to the API key page where you can copy the API key and enter the key here so that it will automatically connect to your website. But in my case right now, I'm not doing that. So let's go to opt-in campaign. Okay, I'll click add new. And I'm going to name my opt-in form. So I'm choosing Lightbox. We have several templates here. Well, we only have these two as free, other are pro. That's premium version. So let's choose this. Okay, so as you can see, we have the template installed. So we're going to make changes to all these informations we have here. So let me copy this. To make any changes to any section of this pop-up, you click on the item. There you click to save your change. So I can leave the rest information the way they are. Depending on your own choice, you can make changes to the name field, the email field. You can change the text, font, and the size, and also the note at the bottom. You can change that. I also add link to other URL. Then when you are done with all the modifications, then you go to integration. If you have not already integrated before, here you can do that. By selecting the email provider. In my own case, I'll be using WordPress user registration, and the new subscriber will be subscriber. Save my changes. Now go back. Then after conversion, you can choose to display message. You can close the opt-in. We have option of closing opt-in and reload the page, an option of redirecting to a URL, and here is where you put the URL. In my own case, I'm using the display success message, and this is the message. You can write your own message there. Now go back, and under display rule, you can choose where you want the opt-in to show up. I want the opt-in to show up on the home page, and after that I click save changes. So as you can see that this tab is off. You have to make sure it is on for the pop-up to work on the website. So I have clicked it to make it active right now. So let me check if there is any other settings that are important for us to do. Here you can decide to hide the close. Okay. You can decide to hide the close button or unhide it. There's a close button. Okay. So when you are done with all the changes on the opt-in form, you click on Save Change. Then you can go ahead to your website to preview what you have done so far. So this is the pop-up. As you can see, it's working perfectly. So that is it on how to add a pop-up opt-in form to your website. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can get new updates whenever we upload new videos. Thank you.